Okay, so I've been an absolutely horrible plant and fish father. I think I have not been to my greenhouse in probably about almost 3 weeks. It looks like I see some damage on one of the lower panels, which I'll have to fix. Hopefully everything is still alive. And if this video doesn't get posted, you'll know why. Okay, so the vents are fully open. And we've got, looks like almost 80 degrees out here. It's nice and cool though. As you can see, I've got all the vents open because we're in the summertime. I almost feel like we're moving them in the summertime. And there in the back, you can see we've got those other vents open. That one looks like it fell. Hopefully it didn't crush anything. Okay, so this vent needs to be repaired. We got some major messes over here. Looks like we had some wind. Okay, I hear bubbles. That's a good sign. There's the banana tree. Frankly, I'm not sure what it's going to do. We've got plants taken over. This is my microgreen bed, which, as you can see, is no longer microgreens. Not sure what's happening with the tomatoes, but anyways, here's some more microgreens, which are not micro anymore. Here is our mushroom bed, which, oh, that's really nice. Okay, the mycelium is spreading, so that's a good sign. So it looks like it is spreading pretty well there. Awesome. So hopefully by this fall, I'll be having some mushrooms popping from here. Here's another bed which has microgreens and mulberry bush. And again, here's the other microgreen bed. As I said, these ain't microgreens anymore. They may have killed my saffron plants, but I got some major trimming to do here. But they do look beautiful. And over here, we've got a little bit under 80 degrees. And there's the pond. As you can see, the water is very low, but everything is still alive. So this is some good news. Anyways, that's all I got for today. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll be talking to you soon.